Hey everyone, it's Danny here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what to do if you ever come across this situation in which I have came across right now. So my situation is that I have two condensing units and I don't know which one belongs to the walk-in cooler that I'm working on right now. So I've already looked at the tonnage, and both compressors are 3 tons compressors, so I cannot look at that anymore, as for they're both the same. So the second thing I'm going to do is gonna go look at the evaporator and see which TX valve is on it. Now by looking at the TX valve I can see what refrigerant it is, and then I can come up here and see which TX valve matches my condensing unit. So before I go downstairs, what I'm going to do is see my condensing units up here and see which refrigerant they require. This one requires, it says here 404, 407, 407C, and R448A. And I'm gonna go to my next one. And this one, unfortunately, has nothing. It's all rubbed off. So I cannot look at that. What I can do is I can Google the compressor model number on the internet and see what that comes out to. And I already did that previously, so I found out that it's an R22 system. So what I'm gonna do now is go downstairs and see if my TX valve is a R22 or a 404. Hopefully it's one of those, and if it's an R22 system, if it's an R22 TXV, then I know it is for this condensing unit that I'm working on. And if it's an R404, then I know it's this unit for the walk-in cooler. So once again, this is Danny, and I will see you guys next time.